In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you want to use in this view and launching it in the background. Like that. Now to open it as a floating window, just hit this icon at the top right corner. And as you can see, after a few seconds I can use my app in this window. Now to operate it, hold this line at the top in order to move it. To scale it and reshape it, hold one of its bottom corners. To use it in full screen view, click at the top left corner on this icon. And my favorite, to minimize it, click on this line, also at the top left corner. To turn it into this cute tiny bubble, you can hold this bubble and move it if you want to, and even close your window by dragging the bubble to the bin section. To access your window again, just click on the bubble. And to minimize it without turning it into an icon, you can tap on Home button instead and turn it into this tiny window at the top right corner of your screen. Now, to close your window completely, you can either do what I just did, so drag the little bubble to the bin area and let go, or you can simply click at the top right corner of your window. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!